This ain't just another dance page.
It's your gateway to learning
The art, technique, and mindset to go from beginner to unstoppable. Welcome to HṳNS Dance University, where we educate, encourage, refine, and elevate dancers from all around the world. Now, whether you're just getting started or pushing to that next level, this is where your true growth begins. No fluff, just real dance education that gets real results. Now, you might be wondering, what can and should you expect from HṳNS Dance University each week? It's a great question, and I'm so glad you asked. So let me break it down for you. Number one, you'll learn how to master popular dance moves. You ever see a move and be like, how in the world do they make that look so smooth? Well, I'll be teaching you the techniques behind trending moves and teaching you how to make them your own. Oh, what? That's not enough for you? Okay, overachiever. You'll also learn how to own your awkwardness. You ever feel awkward when you dance? It's okay, because you're not alone, and I used to be there. Which is why I'll teach you how to embrace that feeling, turn it into confidence, and dance like you mean it. You'll also learn the keys to improving your dance skills faster, and so much more. From freestyle tips and dancer reactions to rhythm drills and dance critiques, each week I'll give you the tools and insight you need to level up your dance game. But wait, there's more. See, dance is a universal language, and we'll be diving into styles from all over the world. Now, learning different cultural dances not only expands your movement vocabulary, but it also gives you a deeper appreciation for the art form as a whole. Oh, shoot. Okay, class is almost over, but before the bell rings, here's what I want you to remember. See, growth happens when you stay consistent and push past your comfort zone. Every great dancer started as a beginner, and with the right training and teacher, you'll be amazed at what you will achieve. Oh, that's the bell. Class dismissed. We've got so much to learn, so make sure you don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, turn on them bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next class at HṳNS Dance University.